Hello friends, welcome to AffairsCloud Learn to Lead. Good morning to all the students. As you know, we already started topic-wise current affair in detailed and explained manner. It means one topic, one video in explained manner. And today's topic of discussion is very important. This is Asian Wrestling Championship which was held in Kyrgyzstan. So first of all, you have to remember this event was held at Kyrgyzstan. This can be asked by the examiner. And this topic is very important for every type of exam. So watch this video till last. So let's discuss Asian Wrestling Championship. So this is the 22nd edition of the Asian Wrestling Championship. And it was held from 6th to 12th of April in Bishkek in Kyrgyzstan. Examiner can ask the exact place. This is Bishkek. And what is the India's position under this wrestling championship? India secured 5th position with a total of 17 medals. And out of 17 medals, 2 were gold, 6 were silver, and 9 were bronze medals. And which team topped this index? This is Iran. Iran topped the standing with 18 medals. And out of 18 medals, 6 were gold, and 6 were silver, and 6 were bronze medals. So again, very important. And Japan secured second rank with 15 medals. Out of 15, you can remember 6 were gold, 5 were silver, and rest 4 were bronze medals. But the important thing here is India secured the 5th position. This can be asked by the examiner. Now let's discuss what is Asian Wrestling Championship. So the event was conducted by the Asian Associated Wrestling Committee under the authority of United World Wrestling. The event featured around 324 wrestlers from 21 countries competing for 30 gold medals across 3 disciplines, like one is Greco-Roman, women wrestling, and men freestyle. The championship has been held annually, with the men's tournament starting in the year of 1979 and the women's tournament introduced in the year of 1996. And the last edition, which was the 21st edition, because this year this is the 22nd edition. 21st edition was held at Amman in Jordan, and India secured total 10 medals in the last edition. Out of 10, 1 was gold, 3 were silver, and 6 were bronze. But now India's position improved, and India now won total 17 medals. Earlier it was 10. Now let's discuss about some key details or the performance at the Asian Wrestling Championship 2026. So India fielded a 30-member contingent across men's freestyle, women freestyle, and Greco-Roman, delivering a strong overall performance with 7 medals, including both golds in the men freestyle and 5 medals each from other 2 disciplines. And the most important thing under this tournament for India is Sujit Kalkal, who won the gold medal in 65 kg freestyle category. And second name is Abhimanyu Mandwal, secured gold medal in 70 kg freestyle category. This can be asked by examiner, and both are very important because both won gold medal. And Aman Sherawat won the silver medal in 61 kg category after moving up from the Paris 2024 Olympic bronze, and he competed under 57 kg category in the Paris Olympics. But now he moved up under the 61 kg category and he won the silver medal. You can also see the list of other players here. One is Sujit Kalkal, we already discussed. Abhimanyu Mandwal, 2 gold medals in the men's category. And you can see the silver medals in the men's category here. 5 silver medals in the men's category. And 1 silver medal for women. This is Meenakshi Goyat. And 4 bronze medals for the women. So it means 5 medals under the women's category, 5 medals under the men's category in the silver, 2 medal in the gold, and other you can see in the bronze. Dinesh, Ankush, Sunil, Prince, Sachin. They won the bronze medals. So 5 bronze medals are here. So you can see total 17 medals we won, and India's position is 5th. You can also see the country-wise list. Iran topped this index with the 18 medals. Out of 18, 6 gold, 6 silver, 6 bronze, equally distributed. Japan is on the 2nd, China is on the 3rd, 4th is on the Kyrgyzstan, and India's rank is 5th, and India secured 17 medals. 2 are gold, 6 are silver, and 9 are bronze medal. But you have to remember the silver in the women's category was won by Meenakshi Goyat. Only 1 is there. and 2 gold. These are the most important things which can be asked by the examiner. So now you can revise from the single slide. This is the 22nd edition. This can be remembered. And it was held at exact places Bishkek in Kyrgyzstan. And you can remember 3 disciplines are there: Greco-Roman, women wrestling, and men's freestyle. And top country is Iran, and India's rank is 5th. This is very important, and India's total medals are 17. 2 golds are there. One is Sujit Kalkar, second is Abhimanyu Mandwal. You can also remember one important thing: United World Wrestling. So it was established as an international federation of associated wrestling style, also known as FILA, during the Olympic Congress in Lausanne, Switzerland. It was later renamed as United World Wrestling in the year of 2014. And its headquarters is in Switzerland, and it was established in the year of 1921. So this was very important topic, and you can remember for a long time if you watch this video again and again. And if you like this video, please press the like button, and please share this video as maximum as possible, and please subscribe our channel for this type of videos. Thank you guys, take care, and bye bye.
So this is all for today. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video. And you can subscribe our all platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Telegram channel. All the official notifications delivered through the Telegram channel. So just subscribe from the description box link. Thank you guys, take care and bye bye.